You guys see that? On my lunch break, and let's zoom in. We got ourselves a little rabbit. Look at, he sees me, so he's kind of frozen. He saw me moving. So now he's acting like he's a statue. I see you. Woo woo. Don't know how long he's gonna stay like that, but this is the most realistic rabbit statue I have ever seen. He ain't moving. Look at it, ears straight up to the bush. Alert. If only he knew that I wasn't gonna eat him, he'd probably come over here and I'd give him some of this what do I got? Tuna. Oh, look at, there you go. He loosening up now. He's like, okay. Look at it. He laying down now. He's like, all right. I don't think he gonna kill me. He don't look like a predator. Nah, man. I love nature. All right, you guys take it easy. Like and subscribe and share.